This is how you know the right equation of motion to use. First, you read out the question. A body is initially traveling at 30 meters per second and drops to 5 meters per second in 5 seconds, right? So you start writing down the variables you have from the question. So from the question, we have initial velocity. So the question is saying the body was initially traveling at 30 meters per second. Therefore, that means the initial velocity is 30 meters per second. In 5 seconds, that obviously means we have our variable t. Our t variable, the time, which is 5 seconds. It drops to the final velocity was 5 meters per second because it was initially traveling at 30 and it dropped to 5. Therefore, that means the final velocity v is equal to 5 meters per second. So these are the variables we have. Before we get into the video, let's do our usual YouTube tradition. Subscribe. Then with that being said, let's get into the video. So the question is now saying that find the acceleration. Therefore, we're trying to find the acceleration, right? We're trying to find a. So this is how you know which equation of motion to use, right? So the first equation, the second equation saying that v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. S, which is for displacement. So in this question, we have no displacement, right? So therefore, we are not going to use this equation, right? So if you even check the third equation, saying that s is equal to ut plus half at squared, right? We don't have displacement again, so we're not going to use this, right? And this question also has s in it, which is for displacement or distance. We're not going to use this. So the only equation we're going to use is the first equation. Right? The first equation is saying that v is equal to u plus at, right? And we want to find e, which is the acceleration. So the first equation of motion is saying that v is equal to u plus at, right? Of which we want to find the acceleration a. So if we make a the subject of the formula, a will be equal to v minus u over t, right? So therefore, if you plug in your values now, right? So therefore, you just need to plug in the values now. What is v? The final velocity is 5, right? So which means 5 minus what? Minus 30. V minus u is 30, right? V is 5, and t, because the equation is saying that a is equal to v minus u over t divided by what? By the time t, which is 5 seconds, right? Therefore, if you say 5 minus 30 is equal to negative 25, negative 25 divided by 5,